maybe it's skin discoloration, hyperpigmentation, dark spots that you want to fade away. You're looking for a more natural way for that glowing, lighter, beautiful skin. There are some DIY tools that you can add to your cream today. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama. If it is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today, yes, we are on a skincare video and we are going to mix some oils together for a brighter, more even toned skin if you're looking to fade away your skin discoloration, hyperpigmentation, or just dark spots for a more unified skin. It is winter, guys, and we need something that will work for our skin. I am starting today with some DIY oils, and I am going to mix my cream or my butter, my body butter, and I am just taking you guys to the journey. So I started with my carrot oil. I did 2 scoops of carrot oil, 2 scoops of papaya oil, and I added some vitamin C oil as well, and now I'm adding vitamin C powder. So all these oil, the carrot oil and the papaya oil, those videos are in my channel on how to make these at home. So you just put all these oils together and you can just go ahead and mix it. Now I am going to add my body butter. This body butter, I made this on my channel as well, and the video is available for you if you want to use this body butter. You can use any body butter that you have. You can use your lotion that you're already using at the moment, just adding more ingredients to it for that boost, that pop, that I don't know, that energy that booster that you want to add to your lotion, just for a more effective result. So once you add your body butter, you just go ahead and mix it up with the oils together, and the amount of the oil that you put will depend on the amount of the mixage that you are doing and how liquid you want it or how thick you want it. So I'm going to use my hand mixer here, and I'm going to put everything blended together. So guys, if this is your first time in my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel so you do not miss any more video from me. In this channel, I do DIY videos on hair and skin. I also share hairstyles here with you guys here and there. So please join the family, support my channel, help me grow, and please don't forget to hit on that notification so that you do not miss more videos. So at this point, your mixture is ready. I am going to use a little bit of preservative for this because we do have that body butter contains some fruits and vegetables. So I'm using some a natural preservative, and the list of all the ingredients that I put in here will be inside the description box. After this, you just need to mix it up very well. Make sure everything is mixed, and it is ready, guys. If you're looking for a brighter, more uniform, glowing skin, you want to use natural product that will get you there. That's what I recommend, guys. I do not recommend you putting chemicals on your body because those can be very dangerous for your skin. So please consider natural ways of getting results, and be patient with it as well. And these, they work very fast. They will give you results in no time. So I am going to go ahead and demonstrate. If you are going to be using just your regular lotion and you don't have any body butter, that's what I'm going to be doing now. So I'm using this Vaseline right here, and I am going to use a little bit of aloe vera gel. Sorry it blew up a little bit there, but I did add about one tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and then I am going to proceed in adding my papaya and my carrot oil. And as you can see here, the amount of oils that I'm adding here is smaller, and it's because of the quantity of the cream that I am mixing. So like I said, papaya oil, carrot oil, those are DIY oils that you can make yourself. Videos are on my channel. I add some vitamin C oil, some vitamin some vitamin C powder. You can also add vitamin E, y'all. You can add vitamin E into your mixture. And the only thing that you need to do, you just mix all this together and just make sure it blends well. At this point, you can add more oils if you want to. If you want it to be more liquidish, you can add more oil and it will be more effective as well. So if you are suffering from hyperpigmentation, skin discoloration, dark spot that you just want to clear up, you want to have a more brighter, even toned skin. It doesn't matter what type of skin you have, whether you are dark skin or light skin, it doesn't matter. You just want to give your skin life and glow, okay? And this, make sure, will help you achieve that in no time. This will help you fade those dark spots and give you that unified skin that you've been looking for. So here, as you can see, we have both options, whether you're using a skin lotion or a body butter. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit on that notification button as well, so you do not miss any more videos from me. I really appreciate you guys being here. Please don't forget to share my videos as well with others that you love, and I will see you guys on my next video. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.